Hey there, let me show you how I made this delicious chicken and chickpeas curry. It is so delicious and I had it with rice. You can also have it with mash if you like, or you can have it with toasted bread. It's so delicious. Okay, so on my ingredients, I have my chicken thighs, fillets, that I'm just gonna chop into small pieces, and then I'm gonna marinate it with the butter chicken spice from Woolies and let it sit for about an hour or two. If you can do this overnight, it's even gonna be nicer. So I added about 1 tablespoon of the butter chicken spice and olive oil, and then I'm gonna mix that and then set it aside. Do not be stingy with your spice. It's gonna be really delicious if you are not stingy. And then I'm gonna take my tomatoes and just cut them into 4 pieces, and also do the same with my onions and put them in that baking thing. And then I'm gonna put some seasoning. So for seasoning, I'm using paprika, I'm using rosemary, and then there I have my garlic. I'm just adding a bit of oil and then covering it with foil, and then I'll also add it there on my vegetables. So for seasoning, I've just added salt and pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and rosemary. You can add any seasoning of your choice, and I do not measure, so then I'll just take that and place it in my air fryer, and I've set it to 160 degrees for 30 minutes. But with garlic, because it takes longer, I've added 5 more minutes. And then back to my stove, I'm gonna fry my marinated chicken with olive oil. I don't have butter. If I did, I would add butter as well, just for some more deliciousness. Okay, so after frying that for about 3 minutes, then I add my chickpeas, and I tried to drain out the water. So I'm just gonna keep frying that for about 10 minutes. Okay, and then when that is done, I'm gonna blend my roasted vegetables. So I'm just gonna add them into the blender. Okay, and then I will add my cashews and also some coconut milk and nutmeg, and then I will blend all of that. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that until it's smooth, and then I'll add it to my chicken and chickpeas, and then I will let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat, and then it will be ready for me to dish up. Okay, so now my chicken and chickpeas curry is ready. I'm gonna have it with basmati. You can have it with mash if you like. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.